Hey everyone, hope you're well. So today I'm gonna share you that what I did for the before yesterday. I shared on a post on my Facebook wall. I said that if you have a suspended YouTube channel, you can appeal today, because that day was YouTube latest update. They said that on that update that they will continue suspended YouTube channel uh, at least 1 year. After that they will delete all your data. Okay, that was the update. So that day I appeal my 5 YouTube channel and I got back 3. Some of my online friends also get back, as they said. This is why I also appeal and I shared their things on my Facebook wall. So I hope some of you already get back your suspended YouTube channel, and lots of friends comment there and personally inbox me that can I get text mail or text message that I appeal. So I shared with them the tricks actually. So today's video I'm gonna show you that what I did on this video, sorry, on this time. So I said who already knocked me, that was I used ChatGPT for appeal text, and every single channel I uh, get a new appeal text. Okay, and I appeal different way and differently or separately, uh, one by one. Okay, after one appeal I wait for 20 minutes and appeal again another channel, same device. So what you have to do, I'm going to telling you that just go to ChatGPT, ask there that you have to type there, give me a suspended YouTube channel appeal application within 950 characters. Okay, and within bracket you can specify your channel suspended region. As we know, when you will get a mail, suspended mail, there also upper of the text you can see your channel name. Just click on it and it will be open a new window and you will see the reason why YouTube suspend your channel. Just copy that reason and go to back ChatGPT, within the bracket just paste it. Okay, and then click enter. After that you will see a small application text. Just copy that text and write on Google YouTube suspended channel appeal. Just type on it on Google and you will see the first link and just click on it. From there you have to find out this form. Okay, just click on that tab, you will get a form. After that you have to fill up, like you have to put on your real name, your channel email, recheck your channel email and channel URL. Then you have to paste that text, appeal text on that box and just click submit. That's it. After, I hope within 5 or 10 minutes you will get an email. It will be show you that your channel will be back or not. Okay, this is the simple way. Just use this method and appeal all of your suspended channel. Hope so you will get half of them or quarter of them. So best of luck for all. Thank you.